Me say some woman crazy over some man when they never see it in their life. Meaning your man talk on phone, you fall in love to a point where man they are prison, you're in love with man. I never meet man yet. No infatuate. She's an obsessive person. And she's obsessed to a point where it eat her alive. Make sure act crazy. And nothing to the bitch. Nothing to do her, you know. People don't know the Lisa hype. She do her body, she do her brush. The mouth can't change, whatever. She can find one nice man that in this George structure in Jamaica, but probably abroad. One Yankee. She can find one local Yankee. I find somebody not half an artist. Because I not an artist who want her. If I go there, go to and find one hungry, good looking. But here's some hungry, good looking boy and I get hungry and good looking. Go take on a challenge. I say, alright then, me hungry shall help me, I'll take the help. Yeah, you're hungry, you're good looking and you're hungry. Yeah. But for you want man in the music industry, you have too much bad record. Why I hear it goes I can't get my money, true? That's some of them type of work, you know. The ads work, them, you know, them for them to pay money, and this is what I'm running from. Moving forward, I miss you. Then Shebada, she stay good for your birthday. Me not tell her like she be a come out for your birthday. You come right out, girl. You angle that outfit there, so. But like Shebada top on them shoes. Me that wear it. But like Shebada outfit, me that wear it. Then come here, Shebada. I'm ask Shebada a question. How you there foreign for your birthday? You have so much time on the internet, but they just stay here. Because there's nowhere. There's no way I can be at Las Vegas for my birthday and live on the internet and worry about one girl with her house dirty. And she go there hungry. They say you're sick on the internet. That's what I'm saying. You know, come realize you're really mad sick. Your head really sick. As they light, they wake up. Rosealee. You want a Bloody Mary with Rosealee name. Rum. You drink Roma tomato juice with Rosealee name. As they light. Are you there foreign? You want to give me a mad obsession? Because my people couldn't fly out for my birthday and wake up and dip on Shebada. But I go take on Shebada when I left. When I there. And come back to Jamaica, I'm going to never even answer. You know what? Some of the problem on the internet. When I worry about me, we are focused too much. That's cute for me. When I worry about me, we are focused too much. Because I'm going to tell you the honest truth, you know, people. I don't care. I don't. Nothing when I say about me not care. I'm going to repeat the statement very fluently. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. A time when I waste. Sometimes when I literally say I follow up, because I want algorithm too. I want create scene too. But I don't care. I don't care. Janice, me not give a fuck. Life have many stages. Why am I supposed to me did care? What people gonna say about me, moon walk on the road, me not say me shit bad. I'm a time when come and tell me say me shit bad. And truth no work, when go all over. When go in my family man, I'm cocky and I reach in my bedroom with dirty. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Me not care. Me not care. To live doesn't mean you're alive. I'm alive. Me not live on my life. Excuse me. Where you go? Me don't care. Me I beg the $400 for the bed. The cash up here. Me want $400 more. Me don't care. I want paper and them. Me don't care. Because me now come and say, oh, me reach off a TikTok and I'm not suffering. Me not reach off a TikTok and I'm suffering. And if me I suffer, me not say why that should be a blood clot crime. I don't care. My careless. Well, you still gonna watch careless people. Karen a question me about me and the JDS Force business. That's not your business. My careless. Well, you still gonna listen to careless people. I don't care. Majority of no company internet behind screen and talk about Rosealee. It's just a fan. I wanna look one page come beg like me. I care. I don't see none of on the internet can blood clot someone for hurt me. Say blood clot put it on. They say yes. I would say Rosealee naked that she shame. She shame. She shame. She shame our house dirty and see them come, them man pull up gun point the head and traumatize her. Yeah, me they be, oh, I'm so traumatized. She lucky. I wouldn't say a karma, but I say a poking nose at people's business too much. I leave your own for spoil. Because when you sit down a plan for somebody, when you sit down a plan for people, somebody else long as plan for you. Me no business, don't know. Turn on that there. You're going with that now? That's the same thing, Mark will come out to me and say that. You don't poke on nose at people's business too much. People live according to how they can spend. You understand? Enough entertainer with the whole of a music song don't want to host themselves. Majority of them. Them don't want to host for themselves. Enough people in enough good work, enough people in enough good job and don't want to host themselves. It's not where you live, it's how you're living. You know, make a situation in your condition, break it down and bring it down. You can't bring me down. When I go tell me, say, oh, Rosealee, your house, not okay then. Alright. I'm still living. I see one woman come, and I don't go to because my, you know, I come out, she tile her veranda, she beat this, nobody know what you want to do. Me not have to teach Chanta over shit, Chanta could never sweep. All more live is my fucking business. And if I know over there and lick out back, and if I know out the road, man are shitting and piss pound and not come talk. And if I know mouth stink. And if I want to mouth we are chat, if I want to mouth we in a back to talk about people mouth stink. I mean stink like it's stepping a shit on not. Nobody not smelling the mouth. No if I want to come and talk about people house and no woman live no way. No if I want to talk about house are people who catch up on that. Are people, is that the government are paying the bill or people are paying the bill? No if I want to talk about people, not then no way neither. Our man get him riches and him fame, you don't know what is the sacrifice alone. Leave people, make people live and sort out what they have to do. Me not think I need to come sit down and prove say me can live clean and good and alright and okay. Me not think me need the necessary for that. Because when you got church, got baptized, the pastor got to say, come just as you are. Church got baptized, the pastor said, come just as you are. Me not think I believe living in a mansion because I'm still gonna have a platform.